In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change my name email Getresponse. This process is useful when you want your emails to show the correct sender name in inboxes, such as your brand name, your team name, or a different variation of your own name. The change is made from your account settings, and it only takes a moment once you know where to look. Start by signing in to your Getresponse account and go into the main dashboard. From here, look to the top right corner of the screen. You will see your profile area there. Click Profile to open the account menu. This menu is where Getresponse keeps key settings related to your account identity, including the email addresses you send from. After you click Profile, a drop-down menu will appear. In that drop-down, select Emails and Domains. This will take you to the section where your sender email addresses and related sending settings are managed. Give the page a second to load, and then look for the list of email addresses already added to your account. Now you are ready to change the sender name tied to one of those emails. Find the existing email you want to update. On the same row as that email, look for the Actions icon, which is usually shown as 3 dots. Click those 3 dots to open the Actions menu for that specific email. In the menu that appears, select Change Name. This option is specifically for updating the sender name that recipients see, not the email address itself. Enter the new sender name exactly as you want it to appear in the inbox. Keep it clear and recognizable, because a consistent sender name can improve trust and help your messages feel more professional. Double-check spelling and capitalization before you confirm, since small differences can be noticeable to subscribers. Once you save the change, Getresponse will use the updated sender name the next time you send emails using that sender address. If you manage multiple sender emails, repeat the same action for any others that need an update. That covers everything you need to know.